you ever thought about playing games online and making money while doing it? As you are already constantly online every single day, why not make some money out of doing so? There are tons of websites online which promises quick cash, but we have compiled a list of websites that we think is the best. Some websites pay you to play a game, or to review an app they made, or to complete a survey, or even to watch a video. Just a bit of heads up, this is not intended to replace your full-time job or to be used as your main stream of income. It is simply a way to earn some extra bucks while doing something fun. Of course, you can earn a few hundred to thousands, but the main goal is to earn a bit of money while surfing the internet. The first one is called Misplay, a mobile app that pays users to play games and try new app releases. All you need to do is download the app and start playing. You can earn points which can be exchanged for gift cards or cash prizes. The second one is Timebox, a website that rewards you for performing various tasks including playing games, taking surveys, watching videos, completing offers, and more. By completing these tasks, you can earn Timebox, which can be redeemed for real cash or gift cards. The amount you can earn depends on the task and the time you spend on it. The third one is Swagbox, another popular website which offers users the chance to complete surveys, watch videos, and play games in exchange for Swagbox. These Swagbox can later be redeemed for rewards such as cash prizes, gift cards, and other exciting bonuses. The fourth one is CashCrate, a website that pays you to complete surveys and offers. Simply sign up with them, then start completing the surveys and offers. You can also refer your friends and family for additional cash rewards. Fifth one is Inbox Dollars, a website that pays you to perform various online activities such as reading emails, taking surveys, playing games, and more. To earn money on Inbox Dollars, you must first sign up for a free account. Once you are a member, you can access a variety of tasks and activities that offer cash rewards. Inbox Dollars pays you via check or PayPal once you have earned $30 or more. Next one is Paid Game Player, a website that rewards you for playing games, completing offers, and participating in surveys. The good thing is that you can sign up for a free account and start earning rewards immediately. It offers a wide range of games to choose from, including arcade games, puzzle games, and strategy games. All of these games can earn you rewards as long as you play and complete them. These rewards can then be redeemed for cash prizes. The seventh one is Bananatic, a website that rewards you with real money and prizes for playing games and completing tasks. Again, just by signing up for a free account, you can start earning rewards immediately. Similar to Paid Game Player, this website offers a wide range of games to choose from, including strategy games and shooting games. Once you play these games and write up the review, you will be treated by rewards for your time spent playing the game. You can then redeem the rewards for cash prizes, CSGO skins, and many more. Eighth one is World Winner, a platform that offers skill-based games, including solitaire, Sudoku, word games, or even Angry Birds for cash prizes. To play on World Winner, you must first sign up for a free account and make a deposit. Once you have made a deposit, you are then allowed to participate in a variety of skill-based games for a chance to win real money. Cash prizes are then paid out via PayPal. The ninth one is Second Life, a virtual world where you can create and control your own avatar and participate in various activities such as shopping, gaming, and socializing. Second Life also offers you the opportunity to earn real money by creating and selling virtual goods and services. You can create and sell items such as clothing, furniture, and even virtual real estate. Second Life transacts via their virtual currency, Linden Dollars, which can be converted to real money. 10th one is Lucktastic, an app where you can play scratch-off lottery tickets to earn rewards. With the Lucktastic app, you don't even have to buy a physical ticket. All you need to do is download the app and start scratching off your digital cards for free. You will be rewarded with tokens when you match 3 symbols on any of your cards. These tokens can then be redeemed for gift cards or cash prizes. Final one is My Points, a website that gives rewards points in exchange for activities such as answering surveys, watching videos, and playing games. Once you accumulate enough reward points, they can be exchanged for gift cards or cash prizes. To get started with My Points, sign up for a free account and start completing surveys and tasks to get rewarded with points. These are just some of the many websites and apps that pay you real money for completing online activities. Whether you're looking for an extra source of income or a way to make some pocket change, these websites and apps can help you earn cash rewards. However, it is important to note that while these games offer the potential to earn money, they may not be suitable for everyone, and the amount earned can vary widely. It is always advisable to carefully research and understand the terms and conditions of any game or platform before investing time and money. So there you have it. With any of these, you can make some extra cash in your spare time without having to leave your home. What are you waiting for? Start playing now. If you found this video useful, please share it with your friends. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more stuff like this, and leave a comment as to what video you would like me to do next. Bye bye.